Hi, welcome to A+ Japanese Auto Repair. Since it's your first time here, I'd like to tell you a little bit about the shop. A+ Japanese Auto Repair is a family-owned business that has been here since 1997, serving the Peninsula for 27 years. Let me show you around inside. This is Naeem. He's one of our service advisors. Robert. And here is Justin. Let me give you a tour of our shop. Over the years, we've grown from a 4-bay shop to now 12 bays. We've been able to run the shop very efficiently and grow as a company. We specialize mostly in Japanese vehicles. However, we do now service all vehicles. We keep the shop clean, organized, and nice and bright to make sure that the technicians are as efficient as possible. We specialize in Japanese vehicles, but we do also work on all year, make, and model vehicles. My favorite thing about working at A+ Japanese Auto Repair is I have the ability to tailor every client repair to their need. And when I say that, what I mean is red carpet experience all around, when time permits, washing cars, going above and beyond, picking up rides to and from, whatever it is to get the job done. If you follow me this way, you'll find our parts department. Gavin is our parts manager. Gavin intakes all the parts, makes sure the parts are correct, keeps them organized so the technicians are able to be efficient and find the components they need to perform all the repairs. We do offer tire service as well for convenience to all of our clients and to make sure that the vehicle leaves here safely. At A+ Japanese Auto Repair, we do have a fleet of loaner vehicles available. The loaner vehicles are first come, first serve. However, if you need one, they are here for you. And follow me back into the office so we can get you checked in and get your car in tip-top shape.